Hi students, today we are discussing about the types of networking. A computer network can be as simple as connecting two computers with each other, or it could be as complex as connecting millions of computers with each other like the internet. So, a computer network can be very small as connecting two or three computers. Also, it can be very complex, which consists of millions of computers, as in the case of internet. Based on the distance covered by the computer networks may be classified into three categories. First one is local area network or LAN. Second one is metropolitan area network or MAN. And the third one is wide area network or WAN. First, we can discuss more in detail about local area network or LAN. Usually, it is confined to a geographical area such as single building like college campus, school, hospital, etc. LAN networks may consist of two or three computers to hundreds of computers. All computers in a LAN are connected through cables or some wireless link for communication. Why the cost is said to be low? Because the local area network is confined to a very small geographical area and it needs only small amount of cables to connect all these systems together. Metropolitan area network. MAN is a large network as compared to LAN. It is spread across a metro city like New Delhi. MAN uses cable, telephone lines, and satellites for networking. It covers a larger area than LAN. MAN is used to connect the offices of an organization spread across the city. For example, let's consider a company which is spread over a metro city. The company has a number of offices at different places in New Delhi. All these offices can be interconnected by using this metropolitan area network. Also, there may be metropolitan area networks like which consist of office buildings, residential area, government buildings, university campus, schools, etc. as you can see in the picture. Next one is wide area network. WAN is a network of computers across a nation. For example, a multinational company sets up branch offices at Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Then, the multinational company can connect all these buildings, all these branch offices together by using WAN network. The transmission media used in WAN includes satellite links, optical fibers, and telephone lines. Thank you. Bye bye.